Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best black display case on the market right now, the PEUKC display storage cabinet with glass doors. If you're hunting for a durable, elegant, and secure display cabinet that balances industrial strength with sleek modern design, this is the one to watch. Let's start with the basics. This PEUKC cabinet stands tall at 71 inches, with a width of 31.5 inches and a depth of 15.7 inches. It weighs 98 pounds and is made of high-quality tempered glass and heavy-duty steel. The sturdy build ensures it's not just another flimsy shelving unit. It's built to last, with shelves capable of supporting up to 120 pounds each. That makes it ideal for anything from medical supplies and books to collectibles and office files. Now, what really sets this cabinet apart is the upgraded glass door system. You get two doors made with high-definition tempered glass, perfect for displaying your valuables or keeping essentials visible and organized. Whether you're using this in a clinic, an office, a living room, or even a home library, the clear glass lets you instantly see what's stored inside without opening the doors. It's functional and stylish. Inside, you'll find 4 adjustable shelves that can be repositioned according to your needs. Whether you're storing tall vases, stacked books, or small decorative pieces, this cabinet adapts effortlessly. It's designed for versatility, and that really shows in the layout and usability. Security is another major plus here. This cabinet features a 3-point locking system, which is far more secure than standard lock and key setups. Not only does it help keep important items safe, like documents, medicines, or collectibles, but it also gives peace of mind if you're using it in a more public or shared space. The doors also feature high-strength acrylic glass, which offers the clarity of glass but is much harder to break. Let's talk design for a moment. The black finish, sleek edges, and rectangular shape give this piece a modern industrial vibe that works in nearly any space. It's minimal, elegant, and bold, not too flashy, but not boring either. Whether you place it in a contemporary office, a minimalist home setup, or a creative studio, it blends in while still commanding attention. Assembly is required, and while the instructions are straightforward, it's recommended to have 2 people for the job. Luckily, PEUKC includes a detailed guide and even offers installation videos. Once assembled, this cabinet feels rock solid, no wobbly shelves or misaligned doors. And here's something often overlooked. The finish on this cabinet is environmentally friendly and scratch-resistant. That means it's not only safe and sustainable, but also long-lasting even in high traffic or high-use areas. In terms of value, the PEUKC cabinet delivers big. You get a professional-grade storage and display solution that looks great, performs well, and gives you the flexibility to organize just about anything securely and beautifully. Whether you're upgrading your home storage or looking for a display case that stands up to commercial use, this cabinet checks every box. Between the premium materials, security features, modern design, and adjustable storage, the PEUKC display cabinet earns its top spot. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this display cabinet fits your needs, check the description below for the product link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product reviews. See you next time.